Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send HD photos on WhatsApp. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to open any conversation. And here you need to click on the plus icon. And then you need to click on the gallery and go on to the camera pictures. And so I'm going to select for this image, and on the top you can see an option of HD. Click on that and you have two options, standard quality, HD quality. So let me select HD quality and click on done. So photo size to HD quality, and then you need to click on share. So this is a simple process by which you can share HD photos on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.